getting ready to leave right now, and as you see, it's like apply directly. They don't understand what they have been doing. Is that of course they have gone through an emergency meeting, and everybody is like, "Oh my God, we need to do this. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this. I need to grab this energy here. Okay, me I do this. Like this is their reason of living, and they thrive on conflict, and therefore what's going on right now is that they are getting prepared for war, and once again, and meanwhile what I see is that I'm listening to Justin. I was pissed, and I am still pissed, and what I see is that the my pullover that I'm using right now is just it's good quality. It's just that it's good quality. It's not because this is from the school that I'm wearing it. It's just because it's good quality. And I think Lola was doing this, or someone else that I talked to, and they told me where I could pick it. I could take similar pullovers, and everyone was having this type of pullovers at some point as well. Uh, or some association like picked it up as well, picked on this as well. And so now what's going on is that I have been pissed. I warned them that they are going to be killed while they are already dying. I don't know what else to say except that they are still about magic, like this. Then I've seen the pimple with a Harvard pullover. So I don't know what she expects from this. It's like it's all again about magic. Like the Freemasonry, it's about mathematics, it's about rhetoric, so logic. It's about astrology. It's about anatomy, and it's about something else. So anatomy because dying, the death, na, right? It's about astrology because the cycle of the moons and sacrificial thing according to the timing, blah blah blah, which the pimple is not going about, by the way. She's not up at the right time in the moon and so on to do the shit. She's not. In Barcelona, they were more accurate on this. Um, yeah, she got about some combination of stuff like degrading this with the school plus the Harvard thing, scam from DDQ Trump that I was talking about, then injecting this in my dreams because Revel, like it's all combination and links of things. It's like I can invent stories based on linkages as well that they are existing and then composing a shit and be like, oh, I'm gonna get this. And then I don't get it, but I don't care because I don't remember. So I go on with the next best thing that I know about. And I'm gonna kill 3 babies, meanwhile. Because I need to kill 3 babies to gather the energy so that it would not be working, so that I would not be checking upon the result of what I'm doing right now. And so they're all hooked up right now. They're all prepared to go to war, to be like, we have power, while they are using some technologies that comes from my people, my intergalactic beings, and they cannot imagine that if the human can bait you into doing something, then intergalactic beings can also bait you. And I think that the voice of DDQ Trump is being targeted right now because he's trying to mirror the thing. To mirror this back at me. So I'm getting prepared to push the button, the alarm button. I'm going to record this with the computer. I will record this with the computer. Um, what else? I have been gathering other elements while they're all going about other sacrifices. Once again, preparing some rituals to be able to keep their life, to keep their power while they are born with, I don't know, like they are baited with some technologies, some technology to use it and to feel like gods. They cannot understand that they are being baited into doing mistakes with this type of technology. They don't they don't see it. They don't see that in the universe the humans are not the only ones, and that the species is young, and that I might have gone through this type of process a billion times already. They don't think that way. They don't think that way. They only think that they can do something, and that it's therefore it's good, it's working, and that they are in control. But they don't understand the rest. It's like even like this, like Diddy Trump doing this because Justin has been doing this to target someone who was targeting them. And while doing this, because they are experimented, because they're experienced, they knew that it's going to be picked up on by Diddy Trump, for example. And so you have the Tiny Desk Station where they keep doing this, also in concert, because the person who was targeting them was surely with a suit all the time, doing this all the time. And as well, it takes from Suits, the TV show with Harvard educated lawyers that I was looking at. So in the last video, you see me pissed. It's not because I'm calm right now that change absolutely anything of what I said. I can compartmentalize, and I know that they are accepting their fate, which is that they are dead, and that therefore right now for them it's a suicide mission. It's a suicide mission where they know that they are dead, and therefore they want to create as much damage as they can on their way out. If they don't do better than this, it means that they accept being dead. Actually, they know that they are dead. They know that they are dead, and that there is no other recourse for them than keeping pushing to get things going their way somehow. I guess this is it. So I don't think that I'm gonna come back here. So there is the water technique thing here. You have time, you have 800 written. And this is for the showers up there on the building up there where I was the other day. So yeah, if they aren't stopping to attack, it means that they know somehow that they cannot get any better outcome than doubling down on their initial impulse, which is killing them right now. So that is to say that they know they fucked up. They know they fucked up. This is how I got $200 after they stole my phone. $200 plus an instrument of Satan, credit cards, and passports, and insurance card, and so on. This is how I got the case of an entire family being sacrificed from the K as well. Then I'm not wearing anything else that's related to this. This symbolizes that I left Barcelona after a crisis. This is a rope that I bought 7 years ago or something. 8 years ago, perhaps, when I was with Martin to do some harnesses. But I didn't use that one. The other one I used. So I bought this 8 years ago. It's orange. And it was already orange. So we'll create another video right now. I'm ready. And this school fucked me over, huh? It's not because I'm wearing it that I recommend the school. I left because it was not interesting what I was learning. And because I was surrounded by douchebags. Only there to satanize me. And fuck me over. And steal what I had to offer already back then. It's why I left. Because they were already going about satanic things, shit things to siphon my energy and so on. And I saw that indeed my strategies were working because they were sound strategies that I knew would be working because I was good at marketing already. So that's it. I told them as well that they could use my insight, and in the end they used my insight, and right now I'm telling you that they didn't give me anything back for it, and that they were actually stealing my insight. That this is what they were doing. Because they should have picked me instead of using my insight. I thought they had better ideas, but no, they hadn't. So this is it. I've been prompted there to leave the school. Professors were fucking me over. Gem is gonna be thanked. And at the same time, I need to say that the people there, they were building up a bad reputation as well to the school. So perhaps not all entirely douchebags. It's a promotion of 600 people spread apart, about 3,000 people there. And a scandal was like exploding, so to say, stating that the school was too expensive back then, and I left.